welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a Python program to check if a number is positive, negative or 0. If you have just started learning if, elif, else conditions, then it will be a good start for writing a starting program, okay? Without practice you cannot learn Python. So without any delay, let us jump into our PyCharm. I'm on my PyCharm now. Firstly, let us define a variable which has to be checked if it is positive or negative or 0. I am naming the variable to be num is equals to, I'll give int input, and if you want to give any float value, then you can change the int word with float, okay? You can have the float function. Enter the number. Now let us check if it is positive or not. We know that all the positive numbers are greater than 0. So give if num is greater than 0, print num is a positive number. Elif num less than 0, we all know that any integer less than 0 is a negative number, right? Num is a negative num. Now let us check if it is 0 or not, and if it is not less than 0, greater than 0, obviously it is equals to 0, right? Then I'll print is null. Okay, now I'll run my program. First of all, I'll run my program, run. Yeah, it has asked us to enter the number. I'm having the number to be 2. 2 is a positive number. I have a spelling mistake here, that doesn't matter a lot. So this is how if, elif, else loops work. And in elif loop we can have any number of elif statements here, but we can have only one if statement and only one else statement, and else statement is always optional. Okay, here instead of else we can use elif num equals to 0, print is null. That doesn't make a much change. Okay, run. I'm having it to be 0. 0 is null. Okay, so in this way you can use if-else statements and elif blocks. Okay, thank you, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to Easy Coding. Okay, bye.